Hello everyone. Today's video is about the AIRT Referral Program, so let's get on to the video. In order to offer benefits to more customers, AirNFTs launched its referral program. With the AirNFTs Referral Program, you can invite your friends to the NFT marketplace and earn cryptocurrency. For whom are referrals made? Everyone is eligible for the AirNFTs Referral Program, and if you are a YouTuber, an influencer, an NFT collector, or the owner of another project with a connection to the AirNFTs page, you are eligible to join the program as an affiliate partner also. How do I start earning cryptocurrency through the referral program? Get the referral link first, connect a wallet. Then create your referral link in the referral section. Invite your friends to sign up using your referral link. Earn cryptocurrency, get referral bonuses and AIRT tokens from the trades of your friends. How can you get your rewards? Attaining an NFT transaction volume of more than $500 will allow you to redeem your incentive. All referral program bonuses will be collected and added to their staking pool to increase user earnings with their juicy API. So, if you want to withdraw them, you'll do it via the staking page. Advantages for NFT market users. You receive cryptocurrency for each invited friend who does an NFT transaction volume of more than $500. There is no cap on how many friends you can invite or how much cryptocurrency you can make.